There are lots of third-party tools available that can enhance your Pinterest marketing efforts. Jarvee Pro is one of the most popular Pinterest marketing tools. It also works with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Tumblr. Jarvee Pro can offer a range of features to help you effectively promote your products, engage with your audience, and optimize your Pinterest marketing strategies. Here are some functions of Jarvee Pro. Content discovery. Jarvee Pro provides search features that help you find trending and popular pins related to your industry or niche. With these features, you can search for pins, people, and boards easily. This enables you to stay up to date with the latest trends and gather inspiration for your own pinning strategy. Content management. Jarvee Pro allows you to discover and save relevant pins from other users onto your own boards. This can help you provide valuable and diverse content to your audience and foster engagement within the Pinterest community. Social interaction. Jarvee Pro provides automation features that allow you to follow users, follow boards, and comment pins on Pinterest. It's necessary to maintain genuine engagement and interactions with other users on the platform. If you have some other requirements, please visit the official website and contact the support team for custom development.